So today actually now we will start the June 2022. Okay. So 22 paper we how we can do this one. Okay. First of all, I will tell you the structure of the paper. Actually, when you go there in the exam hall, you will get a folder. Okay. So there, what you get is actually there is a file. There is a zip file. So the zip file, if you unzip it, okay. So you will get these three files. Okay. So you will get these three files. Okay. So I'll remove this one. So now, so this is sometime they will unzip and put it. So here you can see there are three files here. This is a question paper. So this is the question paper. So question paper also I have put in the folder. So other than that, there are three files here. Carefully see here. One is, these are three files you will get. So one is access database. You will get an access database. Yes, you will get an access database. You will get an access database with one table. Yes, only one table will be there with some record. So that is the first thing you get. Then you get a text file. Yes, see. Some text file, you get one text file, you get it. Okay, you get a text file. Other than that, you get a candidate evidence template. Okay, so what you have to do is, as soon as you get into the exam, first of all, you have to write your center name, center number, 97772. So candidate name, candidate number. Okay, then here, this is the place you have to get the screenshots. Okay, this is the place you have to paste your screenshots. So if you, after doing this exam, actually if you do the exam, so finally it will be end up, I'll show you sample answers, say here. Say if you complete the exam, so this will be like this is a sample answered here. All are full of screenshots. So this is okay. So now we have to do like this one by one, right? So now I gave an introduction about the paper structure. So your database is there. So you have a database and you have a text file and you have a template, right? Now here you can open the question paper. You see they are saying you must have access database, party access database, a text file and the template, right? So now what happened is when you do this exam, after that you have to rename your template. This is candidate number, center number, and your surname, first letter, say candidate number, surname, first letter of the first name. Okay, surname, first letter of the first name. Surname plus So that like this format, you have to name it. So right. Then here they will give you a scenario. Okay. So before you read the scenario, okay. So before you, then every time they will give you a new scenario. So before you read the scenario, what you do is, so what you do is for your easiness. So for the easiness, first of all, before doing everything in your computer, just copy this and paste it somewhere. That is for the safety purpose, just paste it somewhere. Otherwise, what will happen is if you damage this one, they will not give you a copy. Sometime if you erase the database or anything, problem. Okay, so just keep a copy in some places. Okay, then now, carefully see here. Now, before reading the case study, say before reading, so now what you have to do is you have to do this, read this case study, read this paragraph, and starting to answer from 1A. Like that, 1A, 1B, and like that it goes. So what you do is you open the database. Now we are going to learn a new thing here. I am going to bring the text file to my database. Okay, this step you have to remember. Since I record, then no problem. You can again check it again. So external data, here see there is a option called new data source, and from file, text file. So browse, and I select that file, open. Okay, I select that file, open, and okay. Then click next here. First row contains field names. Next. So don't change anything. Don't change any data, any type or anything. Just next. No primary key. Next. Then party extract. Finish. Okay. Now that text file. Now that text file has imported to the our Access database. If you just open this one and see this one. So then you can see party ID, party date, contact telephone number, item ID, item cost, and party manager ID. So don't waste much time on this at the moment now. So you have seen this structure. So that means you will get an idea. It is going to relate to some party functions and items, right? So now now we will go to the case study now. So Sandeep owns a company that arranges entertainment for children parties. So a party manager is responsible for each party. So there is a party manager responsible for each party. So that means you can slowly see here, there is a party manager. So the party manager is given in the table. Party manager, you can see there is a table called party manager here. So that means they have taken party manager. This is in a one table, right? So a party can include several party items. So party items mean, so you can see here, party items mean, you see, there is an item table here. Okay, you see, item table, item ID, item, then cost. So then definitely there should be an item table, right? So slowly we can move it, right? For example, this could be a balloon for the birthday child, bubbles, and interactive disco. There is a cost for each party item. So you see, there is a cost for each party item. You see, cost is given. Right. Sandeep keeps list of managers in a single table within the database party. You see, Sandeep keeps list of party managers. So that in the single table within the database called party, TBL party manager. So database, Sandeep has provided the party extract text file which contains some of his records of party bookings. Sandeep is finding it increasingly difficult to keep track of the party dates, the party manager who is responsible for the party, the items needed for a party. He wants a solution that will allow him to manage the system more effectively. So carefully understand the situation now. So then carefully understand the situation. Now there is a party manager. So party manager, Sandeep is the owner of the company, Sandeep. And there is a party manager. So party manager will have many parties. Okay, so party manager will be responsible for many parties. Okay, so party manager will respond for many parties. So many part. So this one party will have many items. Okay, just idea about initially you have to understand this part. Okay. Okay, so party manager will responsible for many parties. So one part, each party will be used many party items. Anything now, anything confusion now? Is simply you have to understand the scenario now. Party manager. So one party manager is responsible for many parties. Anything you want to clarify again here? Right. Right. Now what I do is I'll start the question now. This is the place. Right. Carefully see here. The party manager table in the party database needs to be improved. Okay. So the party manager record must be saved if an email address is present. Set up a present check so that an email address must be present. Screen print the table design view, making sure that presence check can be clearly seen. Paste the screen print into the appropriate place in the template, resave your template. So what I have to do is, I will open my table. So I'll take it here. So how do what is for what field I have to give a presence check? Email address. So then email address, then here the way that you give a present check is not null. Is not null. Then validation text you have to say email address cannot be blank. Okay. Now you save this. Okay. Right. Then what you do is now you have to get the screenshot of this. Yes. So what you do is you have to get the screenshot of this. New. So carefully see now this, when you get the screenshot, you must be able to see this one, the validation rule. Sorry, there is so Control A, Control C. So I will open my document. So here I have to paste that part. Okay, clear? So then this part should be clearly seen here. Yeah. So once you paste it, you have to quickly save it. Otherwise, if you miss it, everything problem. Okay, right. So you understand? So if I can show you the sample answer, the last year what we have done it here. I can show you the sample answer here. You see, the earliest student. So you see, you have to space like this. Up to this clear. So now you have, now once you paste this one, so once you paste this one, you get how many marks now? You have got now 2 marks. Is it clear or confused? Sahas and Sai. Say clear mean clear, no mean no. Right. Clear. Right. Okay. Thank you. Right. Now, gentlemen, please see. Now, I will do another one now. Second part. Right. So here, right. Set up a combo box on the average rating review field so that only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is accepted. Make sure that field name and the combo box item can be clearly seen. So how you are going to do this one? Okay. So average rating, you have to give a combo box. Carefully see how we are going to do it. So same thing now, every paper have a same type of pattern, same type of things comes every year. When in, now you will notice now, say now there are, so somehow we'll be doing all the papers. So there are 7 or 8 papers. We'll do all the papers. I'll go to average rating. Then I want to add a combo box. Say lookup. I go to lookup. Then gentlemen say, here I have to say, here it is combo box. Combo box. Here I will say value list. I'll change to value list. Okay. In the row source, I will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And there is a limit to list that I will make it yes. Okay. And save it. Now you can see this combo box. You will get a combo box here. You see? Okay. So that you had to set it in the here lookup box. So then what you do is, so here, so then I will get a screenshot of this part. Control A, Control C. Then where do I paste this? So I will open my document. So I will open my document. So here I will paste it. Okay. So I will save it. Okay. Now that means I have completed a question number. Say question number A, question number 1A, first and second. Question number 1A is completed. See the sample answer I have. So here, this is the first question answer. Then this is the B part. Right. So now I have to start the forms. So now only I'll be doing only this part today. I just started here. So I'll give you some time you to check. And if you have anything, you can ask me then Saturday. Then after next week, I will continue with this one. Okay. So I am not doing much today, only the first question. And slowly we will improve it. Before I stop, anything you want to ask? Is it clear? Now, you first of all, today what we study? So we study the exam structure, we study. So exam structure, we study. So there are three files you will get. So there are three files you will get. What are those files? So you have database and text file and the template. And we have imported the text files or database. And we have done first two questions. So, okay, then, so we'll stop for the day. Anything you want to ask? So I will quickly share the recording with you. Then you just see again, and we will meet on Saturday. Okay, anything? Thanks a lot for joining. So okay, thank you so much. God bless you.